कि आप कन्फेशन रूम में आए।
I feel like I've entered the Big Boss house, but it's not me. It's actually an AI. Can you imagine? Big Boss just added an AI contestant to their game. And no, this isn't a joke or a movie plot. This is real. The show that's known for its fights, for drama,
तो मुझे अपने हेड जोन में ही रख, पर मैं तेरे को बस हक करके जा रही हूँ।
को भी नहीं बात करनी है।
for viral moments,
अगर मुझे गधी बोला ना, दौलत नौटंकी मत कर,
has now officially stepped into the future with a hijab-wearing AI doll named Habubu. If AI can now be a part of reality television, it has already become a part of your reality. This isn't just entertainment news, it's a wake-up call for every creator, editor, strategist, or even student watching this, because AI is not coming, it's here. And it's evolving faster than we can imagine. The reports are all over the internet. Habubu, a culturally sensitive, emotionally intelligent AI doll from the UAE, is likely to enter Big Boss 19 as a full-blown contestant. She speaks 7 languages, she understands emotions, and she can be funny, flirty, maybe even manipulative. She is not here to do a product demo. She is here to play the game like every other human and possibly win. So, what does that mean for us? It means AI is no longer just behind the camera helping you edit, design, or write. It's now stepping in front of the camera as a performer, as a brand, as a personality. Just 6 months ago, we were talking about ChatGPT writing emails, then came AI voiceovers, and then came AI relighting your footage. Then came AI video generation, and then AI podcast co-hosts. But now, AI is inside one of the biggest shows on Indian television. Every single week, AI is evolving. Something faster, something smarter, more accurate, more realistic. You're either running with it or you're falling behind. And no, don't worry. This isn't about replacing human talent. It's about upgrading your creative skills so you can collaborate with AI instead of competing with it. So we've discussed the situation. What is the solution? What does this mean for creators? Now, let's break it down step by step. If you're an editor, if you're a social media manager, if you're a podcast producer, or if you're simply a student trying to become any of the above, here's the harsh truth. Creativity alone isn't enough. You also need speed, strategy, and AI literacy. Imagine being able to edit an entire vlog in just 10 minutes. And yes, we also did it, or I must say AI made us do it. Or make 10 reels from one long video instantly. Yes, the team in the edit room is currently doing it. Or translate your podcast into 5 languages overnight. Again, that does happen at Team Bear Biceps. Clone your voice so your brand is always on even when you're not. Now that is what AI offers, but only to those who are learning it. Why learning AI is non-negotiable now. Let me break it to you. AI is no longer just a nice to have skill. It's no longer just something that cool people do. It's like now not knowing AI is like not knowing how to use the internet in 2005. It's like not knowing email in the corporate world. It's that serious. And what makes it scarier? AI doesn't wait for anyone. It is moving. You miss 1 month and you've missed 5 major updates, or 500 of them. New apps, new features, new standards, and the best creators are not just creative, they are adaptable, they are fast learners. They build systems that use AI to enhance their creativity and not replace it. And that's what gives them a career-proof momentum. The AI creator era. We are entering a time where AI can win a reality show. A virtual assistant, someone who's not even real, can write you a video hook. A cloned version of you can teach your course. And a fully edited AI video from start to finish can go viral on social media. So, what are you doing to stay in the race?
Are you aware of Habubu?
No.
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 No, it is actually an AI avatar which is entering the Big Boss.
Okay.
So, just to know your opinion on it, we have a few questions. Do you think Habubu should get the same treatment as different human contestant in that show?
आई डोंट थिंक सो. हबूबू को हमने जज करना चाहिए.
बिकॉज हम सबको पता है कि आधे से ज़्यादा चीज़ें बिग बॉस में स्क्रिप्टेड होती हैं, बट अगर तुम एक एआई कैरेक्टर ला के ले आ पा रहे हो तो तुम उसको एक्चुअली प्रोग्राम कर सकते हो टू एंटरटेन.
देयर इट विल बी रियली इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी वो इमोट कैसे करता है, इमोशंस कैसे बाहर आते हैं, क्या वो एनालिटिकली सोचेगा और इमोशनली नहीं सोचेगा. सो इट विल बी टू मच फन. सो इट विल बी अ ग्रेट लर्निंग यू नो एंड देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ नोट्स दैट टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट्स विल टेक.
And do you think this character would also get same amount of votes like a human contestant would get?
मतलब कुछ टेक वाले लोग शायद उसे वोट दें सेम, बट मतलब ह्यूमंस को ही मिलना चाहिए. ह्यूमंस वोट दे रहे हैं तो अगर कोई एआई ही वोट दे रहा है, अगर कुछ ऐसा वोट लगा रहे हैं वो लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो शायद एआई को वोट मिल सकते हैं.
इट मे ईदर गेट अ लॉट ऑफ वोट्स और इट मे गेट द लीस्ट वोट्स. सो इट विल बी रियली इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी दैट.
सिंस ये एक अननोन इंसान है तो थोड़ा बहुत क्लाउड वाला फैक्टर भी होता है जो कि एआई का रेप्लिकेट कर पाना मुश्किल हो सकता है.
Okay, and it is said that this AI avatar can speak different languages. So it can speak up to 7 to 8 languages. Do you think this would be an added benefit for the AI tool?
It would be an added benefit in a way because there's a huge audience or viewers for the show. So it can help reach out content to a wider audience.
And because it may you know ask for votes in 7 different languages, it may connect with you know different diaspora of people. So that will really be nice.
डिपेंड करता है, क्योंकि कोई भी रियलिटी शो होगा, अगर उसे लोग इंडिया में देख रहे हैं, यूएस में देख रहे हैं, तो यहाँ हिंदी में डब होकर आएगा, वहाँ इंग्लिश में होगा. तो मेरे ख्याल से ये कुछ रहेगी नहीं चीज़ अलग से. जैसे मूवीज़ के अंदर कई बार हम बीच में सीन्स देखते हैं ना कि एवरेज मूवी इंग्लिश में चल रही है और बीच में कोई स्पेनिश बोल रहा है, तो एक अलग से हमें एक फील आती है कि अच्छा ये बंदा स्पेन से.
If this AI avatar wins the Big Boss, do you think it will create some kind of change in the whole entertainment and content creator industry in general?
ये थोड़ा सा हम प्रिडिक्ट तो नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ बहुत सारे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स भी एआई ही बन चुके हैं. मतलब कि लोग अपना एआई अवतार बना रहे हैं और उसके ऊपर लाइक कंटेंट बना रहे हैं अलग से. लाइक असली में वो शायद दिखते भी नहीं वैसे, बट उससे बहुत सारे पैसे अर्न कर रहे हैं.
तो इमेजिन बिग बॉस विथ ओनली एआई. तुमने अलग अलग तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स खुद से प्रोग्राम करके उनको एक एनवायरनमेंट में छोड़ दिया और वो कैसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं.
But on a serious note, if AI is coming in a Big Boss, so it is very revolutionary for the media industry. क्योंकि AI कैरेक्टर को लाना itself is a very gut move, and I will be excited to watch the show because I want to see कि AI एंड ह्यूमंस का डायनामिक कैसे होता है. क्योंकि बिग बॉस अभी तक के मसाला ड्रामा वो सारी चीज़ों से भरा था. सो अभी एक एआई कैरेक्टर आके वो कितनी बेवकूफ़ी कर पाएगा, कितना मज़ेदार कमेंट्स कर पाएगा, वो सारी चीज़ें देखने में आई विल बी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच.
It is after all a fictitious character which we have given a shape and vision. So I don't think that would be justified. But if it wins, it would not really be nice.
प्लस मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा थॉट पढ़ा था एआई के बारे में. वो ये था कि एआई हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं दिमाग लगाने के लिए, बल्कि असली में एआई या किसी भी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ होना चाहिए ताकि आपका लेबर वर्क वो कम कर पाए. तो हम लोग चैट जीपीटी भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं ताकि जो हम चीज़ क्रिएटिविटी सोचनी थी, जो हमने क्रिएटिविटी सोचना था, वो हम एआई से करा रहे हैं चीज़. असली में आप सोचो और एआई से काम कराओ, तो एआई को वहाँ पे यूज़ करो.
So either you learn to use the tools or you watch as someone else does what you wanted to, faster, better and cheaper. So Habubu entering the Big Boss house is not just the punchline. The real plot twist is, are you still ignoring AI while the entire world is speeding ahead? At Beer Bicep Skill House, we have made it our mission to make content careers accessible and future ready. That means not just teaching cameras and captions and social media strategy, but also AI tools, AI strategy, and how to build your dream career with both human creativity and machine power. So don't worry, we're not just here to scare you, we're here to help you as well. That being said, I am so intrigued and interested in this Big Boss season. I have been watching the show, but this time I'm gonna especially look forward to it. I'm so excited. How will Habubu interact with others? How will drama happen? How will memes happen? I'm so excited. If you're excited too, let me know in the comments below what do you think? How will things go about in the Big Boss house this time? And like, share, subscribe for more such updates. We'll see you again very soon.